Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still am looking at this as an A, B, and I still think we're in a wave C of wave Y. I believe it's three waves up for a W, three waves down for a Y, and I think we're going to make an ABC of, or three waves down for the X, and I think we're going to make an ABC of wave Y, which will most likely go up and take out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this is an uptrend, most likely a wave A. I think it's a WXY of wave B, and I think we are now in an uptrend for what I believe to be a wave C, which a wave C should be a trend, most likely a wave C of wave Y, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can definitely see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a complete pattern, but we don't really have any break of structure down. And honestly, the fact that it's turned up on the higher time frames tells me that it could very easily just bounce off one of these higher Fibonacci's, make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. Maybe it's a 1 and a 2, and then a wave 3 of 3, or maybe it's just a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. Either way, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear this is a downtrend wave A. This spike up right here is probably an A. This is probably three waves down for the B, and I bet we are going to go up for a wave C, probably a wave C of B. I would expect it to go up to one of these higher fibs, maybe the 61.8 is more likely, and then most likely make another push down for a wave C to complete that pattern like I was showing on the daily time frame. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, nice and positive up, and then it looks like a downtrend, looks like three waves up, looks like a downtrend. I think it's very clear this is an A, B, C, and B, and I think it's pretty clear that this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, probably up to one of these fib levels, whether it's the 50% or whether it's the 61%. Either way, I would be looking for longs until I saw some proof otherwise, like a break of structure to the downside, because I would expect it to go up and make a wave C of wave B like I was explaining and showing on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.